How about this one is a great car, the 1937 Cadillac Series 60 Sport Coupe. Sudan Blue over saddle, stunning resto mod build. It's got the big 454 cubic inch V8, daddy, for 9-inch heat and air. This is the coolest looking car you'll ever see, and it's got all the modern conveniences and then the modern power. Relatively speaking, modern. I don't remember what the last year for a 454 from General Motors would have been, but probably 1974 or 5 in a truck or something would have been the last. I think the Corvette in 75 you could get a 454 in it, and that was probably about the last year for that.
So modern conveniences like?
Oh, like, power brakes and heat and air.
Wow.
Yeah.
Right.
And a modern transmission, and hopefully a little more reliable when you're heading down the highway or cruising around the neighborhood or whatever you happen to be doing.
Okay.
So.